Hello people, Namaste and welcome to my vlog. This is Mosmi here. So, आज मैं जा रही हूँ अरुणाचल की एक छोटी सी विलेज दैट इज शेरगांव, सिचुएटेड इन वेस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। और ये जो गांव है ना, इससे बेस्ट टूरिज्म विलेज अवार्ड भी सम्मानित की गई है। तो चलो, लेट्स एंजॉय द ट्रिप। So guys, मैं आ गई हूँ इस beautiful सी resort called Oakley Groves to eat, and oh my god, this place was so beautiful. Though we couldn't hold a night at this place, but we enjoyed the food and the music and such me. It was so refreshing, you know. I want you guys to also visit this place one day, and I'm sure you won't regret it coming here. So enjoy the view. Hi. What do you want to order? Please check it. What do you want to eat?
Let me first see the list and then I'll recommend.
Okay. After we ordered our food, we were asked to wait for 1 hour, so we thought of buying some strawberries from their garden and test some. It was just 5 minutes to walk distance, and oh, let me tell you, the strawberries were so organic and fleshy that we couldn't stop eating, and the way of planting, I just loved it. Bye.
Video kìa. April come. Good boy. Good boy.
So guys, it's a day 2. The next morning we plan to visit Mandala Top. It's a series of 108 Buddhist stupa that was built in a circle on the top of the mountain. To reach we will have to go through all the curvy drives and narrow roads to reach up there. But yeah, it was too fun. So we kept on going. So guys, after a long drive from Shergaon, finally we have reached our destination. That's Mandala Top. And as you can see, it was raining, but still the weather couldn't stop us coming here, and we have enjoyed a lot. And look at the view. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, so this much for now. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next vlog. Bye.